Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Murarika Satishwa. Today I'll show you how to use ChatGPT absolutely free for 1 year. Let's get straight to the point. So what you need to do is you need to go to ChatGPT and just try to open this through Google Chrome. And once you enter this, it will ask you to sign in with any of this. So I'm just trying to signing in with respect to my Gmail. So let's just wait for a moment. It's taking time. Okay, so we are in. So once you are in, you can go to this upgrade thing, and here you can see by default we are using this free plan, and now it's providing us the Go plan special offer for zero. So what you need to do is you need to click on upgrade to Go. Okay, it's taking time. Oh wow, you can see like you can subscribe to this ChatGPT Go subscription for zero per month until coupons expire. So basically, we are getting this in 399, but because of this offer for 12-month free trial, it's actually amounting as for 0 rupees. So what you can do is you can give your card details here. You have to give your card details here, the month, year, the CVC number, the full name of your card, and then the address you need to give. And after giving the address, what you need to do is you need to just click on this, and then you just need to click on subscribe. That's it. So, if you ever feel you don't need the paid plan anymore, just follow these steps and stop your subscription anytime. Just click on this, and after that, go to settings and then click on account, and there you need to click on this manage, and you have this cancel subscription. And when once you click on this cancel subscription, that's it. Your subscription will be cancelled. Okay, that's it from mine. Thank you. Have a great day. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick AI and tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.